In this module, we are going to talk about political consequences. Political globalization has following positive effects: increased liberty of nations, groups and non governmental parties have become more powerful, global expansion of new political culture, international maintenance of law and order, security of global citizens. So, if we see that political globalization is changing the scenario of the sovereign state in the contemporary sovereign state system, it means that it is giving some positive things to the state also. Political globalization is very often criticized due to the following negative consequences. It is creating a dominance of rich and powerful countries, lead to policy constraints in poor nations. Economic coordination and exchange of rich and poor states does not always lead to win-win situation. Global conflicts have increased due to integration of nations from all around the world. The lacuna between haves and have nots is increasing, and it is creating a sense of deprivation and causing migration of dreams at international level. New security concerns for states in the form of non traditional state actors. The non traditional security threats go beyond the use of military weapons, issue of food shortage, spread of pandemics across the borders, increased hunger in the underdeveloped countries, state economies and cultures have become connected. Hegemon states and international organizations constrain to prefer global goals through international efforts. Issue of regional and global governance, accountability of international organizations. So, this global world has become very much complex owing to the increased interconnectedness of tools of globalization that I mentioned in my previous modules. Those are popularly known as multinational corporations, World Trade Organization, International Monetary Fund, World Bank, advertisement, marketing. So, this is how all they have increased interconnectedness and making this world more complex. Although it is integrated, but on the other hand, it has become more complex. It is very difficult to predict any solution for any crisis that is emerging at international level. Political issues of the globalized world. Today, we see that owing to that complex behavior of the states, these are the issues which are happening, are emerging at international level: terrorism, climate change, spread of diseases across the border, international business, controlling international crime, illegal immigrants and refugees, accommodating international migrants. And those refugees are penetrating in other countries through their boundaries and causing a heavy toll upon the economy of those countries. Like after 1979 intervention, Russian intervention in Afghanistan caused a migration of millions of refugees in Pakistan, and they are still staying in Pakistan and making a heavy toll on the economic system of Pakistan.